What's up, you guys? It's your boy Justin Too Fast for you, back in with more review Mondays. So what I have for you guys is another addition to my car. So what I have to show you is it's like the eyelid for your front light. It's going to be really easy to install. I bought it from Amazon. I'll put that link in the description below. And it's really easy. There's two sets, and then it already comes with the 3M tape, the double-sided tape. So all you have to do is really just make sure it's measured right, and then you just install it. So I'll show you guys how that looks going now. So we already took out the tape, so it's a lot faster for you guys to start watching the video, and you don't really have to open the front of the engine. You can just kind of like throw it on here underneath it, so at least you won't smash it when you close it. Alright, and there you go. Really easy, nice and simple. And it lines up very well with the front. So, time to do the other side. Alright, so I felt kind of bad for you guys because you don't really get to see it, but here's what it looks like with the lights on, both sides. Alright, just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this YouTube video. I'm pretty sure it was self-explanatory, the product, but at least you get a good look before and after on what it looks like on the car. Just want to say thank you guys again. Please hit that like and subscribe button. It definitely helps out the YouTube channel, helps out with the YouTube algorithm, and puts my channel out there. And if you would like to help yourself out, look in the description below for two things. The first one is Webull, a free investing app. So after you deposit $100, you'll get 4 free stocks valued at $8 all the way up to $1,600. And after that, if you want to withdraw all that money, you can. And then the second thing is for you to guys sign up to the Morning Brew. The Morning Brew is a nice weekly newsletter from Monday to Saturday that keeps you up to date with what's going on in the world regarding politics, tech, retail, and then all sorts of other things. It's a nice short read, and then it keeps you up to date what's really going on out there. But, it's your boy Justin Too Fast for you, so try to keep up. Hi, deuces.